In the fast-paced world of equipment rental, inefficiencies can hold you back. That's where Quipli comes in. Built specifically for equipment rental companies, our all-in-one platform transforms how you manage, track, and grow your business. It's a complete operating system that transforms how rental companies work. We've reimagined every touchpoint to deliver a world-class rental experience for you and your customers. From a single dashboard, see everything that matters: equipment availability, active rentals, and critical business metrics at a glance. Give your customers the power to browse, reserve, and pay for equipment rentals instantly through your own online storefront. And with the customer portal, they can manage their rentals, view documents, and make payments all in one place. Create and send orders via text or email with built-in damage waiver insurance for complete protection. Your customers can review, sign, and pay in just 3 clicks. Track every piece of equipment across all locations in real time. Monitor utilization rates, manage maintenance, and keep your fleet running at peak performance. Manage both in-house and external repairs with our work order system. Track maintenance, assign mechanics, manage parts, and invoice when needed. Take control of your accounts receivable. Generate statements, manage past due invoices, and process payments within Quipli or via the integration with QuickBooks Online. Make data-driven decisions with comprehensive reporting. Analyze equipment performance, track utilization rates, and monitor rental history across locations to optimize your fleet and boost profitability. Run smarter, grow faster, and transform your rental business with Quipli today.